In today's video, I am going to show you how to view refunds on Shopify and keep track of returned or refunded orders. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Analytics from the left-hand menu. Next, select Reports to access your store's performance and financial reports. In the search bar, type Returns to quickly find refund-related reports. From the results, click on Product Orders and Returns. This report shows information about returned products and refunded orders, helping you monitor refund activity across your store. You can review the data to identify refund trends, track returned items, and better understand customer behavior. For individual refunds, you can also go to Orders, open a specific order, and view the refund details directly within that order. That's it. You've successfully learned how to view refunds on Shopify. Thanks for watching.